Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Prime Lab's Men's Testosterone Booster to figure out if it's actually worth picking up or just another supplement that overpromises. We gave it a fair shot and here's what we learned. First, Prime Labs markets this as a natural testosterone booster designed to help men with energy, strength, stamina, and overall performance. The formula includes ingredients like Tongkat Ali, Fenugreek, horny goatweed, and saw palmetto, herbs that have been linked to hormonal support, improved libido, and mild energy boosts. When we tested it, we noticed a gradual increase in daily energy and a slight improvement in workout recovery. The capsules were easy to take, and we didn't experience any major side effects like jitters or crashes. For men who want a simple daily supplement to complement training, it does deliver some benefits. But here are the cons. It's not a miracle pill. If you expect huge testosterone spikes or overnight muscle growth, you'll be disappointed. Also, it can take weeks to feel consistent results, and for some people, the effects might be so subtle they're almost unnoticeable. Plus, supplements like these aren't FDA regulated, the same way medications are, so results vary. Overall, Prime Lab's testosterone booster works best as a gentle support for energy, mood, and performance rather than a drastic transformation. If you're realistic about what it can and cannot do, it's worth trying. But don't expect it to replace a good diet, exercise, or medical guidance. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.